iPhone was locked by iCloud lock. Today's video will show you how to unlock iCloud locked iPhone without Apple ID password. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Run PassFab Activation Unlocker. If you didn't install, go to PassFab official website to download it. Now, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start, read the terms, and click Next. PassFab Activation Unlocker will download a jailbreak tool for you. Insert a USB to install the tool. Click Start. Now, read the jailbreak tutorial. Then, restart the computer. Press F12. Select a boot from the USB. Press Options. Use arrow keys to navigate to allow untested iOS, iPadOS, tvOS versions. Press Enter. Navigate to skip 11 BPR check. Press Enter. Press back to return to the main interface. Press Start, OK, and Next. Your iPhone will be put into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click Start. Press and hold volume down button and power button together. Release power button but keep holding volume down button for a few more seconds. Then the jailbreaking process will start. Now, restart PassFab Activation Unlocker. Confirm your device information and click Start. Now, you have unlocked your iPhone. Set it up.